Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1937 Underwood No.6 vintage desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you load the page in straight. And I like to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the page. And this is the paper bail that sits on top and holds the page down. Margins are located up front here. So this is your left margin and this is your right margin. I'm gonna put that about 75 and 0, about the length of the page. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip the switch down 1, skips 2, 1 more, skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. You can type as fast as you want on this. Very reliable, won't jam up, won't malfunction on you. Some of the best and most popular typewriters ever made from Underwood were in this era. This model has a unique color. They're usually all black, so this one is like a gray color, so pretty rare. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it down and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back up before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. Backspace on the left side here works good. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the right. To clear that, just hit the left shift button. Tab up top. Right now we should have one tab. We don't have any tabs set, so we're going to set one in the middle by hitting the tab set button on the right side of that. And then you hit that, it stops at that spot. To clear it, hit tab clear, which is on the left side here. And now it goes all the way to the end. We're going to set one in the middle so that way the next time it gets hit, it doesn't go slamming all the way to the end, causing wear and tear on your typewriter. Color selector switch up top here. So you got a blue, white, and red. When you have it on the blue, it prints the top portion of the ribbon. When you have it on the white, it prints a stencil, which is no print at all. It just hits the paper and makes an indentation so you can copy with that without wasting ink. All the way to the left, you have red, which prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. Since we only have a solid black ribbon, you can actually use that up twice by changing the color from blue to red when you use up all the blue, which is the top portion. Carriage release on each side, very smooth. This is your ribbon ratchet and ribbon reverse, so you can wind the ribbon, and when you push it in, it pulls to the left. When you pull it out, it pulls to the right. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side, so we want it to pull to the right, so we're pulling that out. And these are your tabs, so you can every space has its own tab, and this is where it was set. So if you want to reset it manually, you just push it up with your finger like that. This little lever on the back side of the knob, if you push it up, it'll disable the spacing when you turn the knob, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. When you push it down, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is one space, and same concept with this lever here. If you pull it out, it'll disable the spacing. You push it in, you get those clicks. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.